Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel just quite yet, right now is your best time. Make sure you press that subscribe button and make sure you press the like button if you want to help out a little bit with the YouTube algorithm, and let's dive right in. XRP delistings starting in Canada. Restricting access to purchasing XRPs in Canada. They say it was an internal decision. Coinbase Exchange has received their marching orders from higher up. Coinbase in Japan, no XRP. Connect the dots, people. And so I feel as if there's not really too many dots to connect. However, you guys were really spamming me with this information in my last live stream, and so I decided to quickly tell you guys that yes, it is happening. It is not a joke, but I believe it is all based upon the US decisions. What that means is that if the United States in the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit comes to a conclusion, which we'd like to see, which means XRP as proper legal, I guess legal tender, is that the way to call it properly? You guys get the picture, right? Just as a proper currency, aka not a security. We're basically on the right path to getting all these things fixed, because Canada has said here that their team is aware of the events of XRP in the US. And Coinbase Japan is, again, it's a subsidiary of a company in the United States that is not allowed to sell or buy XRP. And what I think with that is that Coinbase, if they really wanted to, they could allow XRP to be bought and sold in Japan, because over in Japan, XRP is completely legal, yet they decided to not be in any trouble by having XRP on their balance sheets or anything like that, purely for the sake of just not trying to mess with the SEC. It's kind of a, I don't want to say the P word, decision, but yeah, I mean, it's a public company now. They can't afford to make too many big mistakes, so okay. Now, Crypto Eri just posted on Twitter, this is not good. XRP is optional with RippleNet. SBI is SBI Group in Japan, not India. India to Japan is about 6,000 kilometers and is in a totally different region of Asia. Pray for Ben, Bitboy Crypto. Now, I already checked it out, right? It is Digital Asset Investor who I guess got the picture a little bit weird, because he says, love him or hate him, this is good. And I'm not sure if he means this is good as in entertainment, or if he actually thinks that this is good information, because if you listen to it, individual on the left here, Ben Armstrong, who once more, guys, I never want to send hatred towards, I just am trying to find out the truth and tell you guys stuff that is important or misinformation that's being spread. And, well, he basically says they got rid of XVIA, got rid of XCurrent, got rid of XRapid, and changed it all with RippleNet, where XRP is basically mandatory. You have to use XRP in this package. And obviously that is not the truth. All right, if companies or parties want to use Ripple technology throughout RippleNet, they can kind of click some options on. What Ripple did is rebrand to make it all into one solution called RippleNet, but there's still multiple different things within this RippleNet that they can opt in or out for. So they don't necessarily have to use XRP straight at the bat. They can, however, choose to do so as of this point. And one of the Ripple developers, or Ripple X developer director of relations, he said, alas, he is wrong. The use of XRP is still an an optional part of RippleNet. Still here being potentially a keyword. Yes, ODL is integrated in the RippleNet, but you don't have to use XRP to use RippleNet just quite yet. So guys, he is, as I've said before, trying to hype things up a little bit, trying to make it a little bit more beautiful than it is. And even though I'm one of the most bullish guys on XP you'll ever find, I just yesterday showed you guys live in a video I was buying additional XRP. You can see our position is now at 9.25 thousand. So you can see we've been buying at this little bottom area between $1.10 and about $1.06 or so. Because I put my money where my mouth is, all right? If I'm telling you, I think we're going to kind of have a double bottom in this area, we'll have a double bottom in that area, all right? So that is exactly what's happening right now. We bought, it's already back in a couple of extra $100 worth of profit, and I'm feeling good. All right, I'm feeling really, really good right now. But that's just to quickly show you guys, I am always bullish. And if I'm not anymore, I'll tell you and I'll show you by taking my money out of my XRP long position. But as it currently stands, I think that it is smart, and I think this is going to make me a freaking ton of money because I expect the XP price to just move upwards. And I think a lot of you guys are on the same type of path. Now, let me quickly try to figure out XRP stuff first before we go into some other stuff. Wrath of Kahneman shared over on Twitter. Ripple partner FleetCor has closed its deal for FX, rumored to use RippleNet as well. Associated Foreign Exchange, abbreviated FX, is an international cross-border payment provider, and according to FleetCor earnings call, AFEX is already integrated into their systems, migrating them to FleetCor. AFEX is contributing $10 a month to FleetCor spreadsheets, and AFEX is also connected to Ripple partner Moneyprint. Not exactly sure what happened to that little tweet right there. We can't see it for some reason. It's unavailable. Huh. Is that when somebody deleted it, or does it say then the author has deleted this tweet? And we just kind of saw a hint of it before it deleted again. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean, why he has gotten rid of that specific tweet. Oh, I wasn't fast enough with the clicking. Let me try it once more, guys. Let me see if I can actually get this done. If I go to this tweet right here and just... okay, maybe you can't press it, because I pressed like a freaking... I'm pressing so fast. Maybe you guys can put the video... Oh, there we go. Oh, no, it's just really been... I don't know why it's unavailable like that. Maybe there's something sketchy in there. But below it says, the deal won't close until Q1 2021. Note, both companies offer ERP integrated cross-border payments and risk management solutions to businesses. MoneyNet Int partnership with FX is only remarkable in light of the FleetCor acquisition. Otherwise, it's just a common cross-border payment practice. Some trivia, MoneyNet Int won Ripple's Best Connector Award at Swell 2019. And so the connections are interesting, yet we can't really see to guys, just press the pause button and check out exactly what it said right there. That would be pretty smart, I guess. And then I just saw this. Digital Asset Investor shared it over on his Twitter, which I think was rather interesting. So a viewer sent this into him, right? Because Colito said, so wait, your name is Costi? Congress of the United States House of Representatives. Dear Mr. Costi, thank you for contacting me with this question. I always appreciate hearing from constituents and welcome the opportunity to respond. While I cannot speak on behalf of the bank you are using, to my knowledge, you cannot buy XRP not because you are a broker, but because of the current lawsuit the SEC has with Ripple. Unfortunately, there is nothing I can do in this situation since the SEC is suing Ripple for unregistered securities. It is now up to the courts to decide the future of XPR and Ripple, little spelling mistake right there. To answer your second question, according to the SEC, Ethereum is not a security due to its decentralized nature. They say that while its pre-sale may have been a securities offering at the time, Ether is sufficiently decentralized that it qualifies as a commodity and thus is under the jurisdiction of the CFTC. However, the SEC has failed to provide guidance on how or when something crosses the decentralization bar, and it is unclear why Ripple cannot cross the decentralized line. That decision will be left up to the courts. Again, thank you for contacting me, and please do not hesitate to do so in the future. Sincerely, Representative Bill Huizenga, Member of Congress. This is a really important message because it shows a couple of things. I can, by the way, not verify the legitimacy of this, as I don't think there's any way to do so, right? But it's extremely popular within the XRP community. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure, to be honest with you, if there's any way to ever verify this, but let's assume it is truthful right now because one of the biggest guys has shared it just now. And nobody has said, oh, it's fake or anything like that. And once more, guys, if we can ever verify something like this, please tell me. But I would say the only way to verify it is to send a message to Representative Bill Huizenga yourself. That's basically it, right? But let's assume the truth of this because, well, to be honest with you, everything it says right here is completely logical. Now, the CFTC has said that Ethereum is falling under their jurisdiction, and the rest of the stuff which they say about Ethereum is also knowledge that we have. So the only critical point here is that there's no current rules for when something is more decentralized, which again need to be brought up, and the fact that, well, right now the only thing keeping XPR, which is what they're using multiple different times, back is the SEC lawsuit. But I guess from a certain perspective, it's really what we expected to see. But it's, I guess, good that the higher ups are also in the same type of field of thinking, basically. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm just really sure eventually this will all be fixed. It's not really that big a deal on my mind, at least, but whatever. Guys, that was it for today's video. Make sure you check out Bybit. A link is down below. It's the place where I buy myself XRP and where I'm long on XRP right freaking now to earn myself some juicy dollars. Or you can actually trade inverse perpetuals and you can actually earn XRP when you trade. Make sure you check it out. A link is down below. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today. XRP, I think, is going to be one of the strongest crypto for 2021. Just wanted to quickly put that out there.